The concept of home evokes within us a deep yearning for familial connection and meaningful interactions. Families in Bangladeshi communities come together over adda, which is one of their favorite pastimes. Based on this concept, we placed the grandmother's bedroom on the first floor adjacent to an open terrace overlooking the pool and gardens, around a staggered room layout, which rendered it the family's favorite spot for interactions. With such thoughtful design choices, we have strived to create a harmonious balance between the family's need for privacy and their desire for a connection with the outside world. These terraces have been thoughtfully designed to include verdant green areas in a staggered way over the top of rooms and include lush grass fields, which serve to create a tranquil ambience and a refreshing green barrier from the noise of the adjacent road. Nature has influenced the materiality of the residence. The trees, the sunlight, and the air all contribute to creating an effortless experience of positivity, with a flawless architectural and volumetric composition. The paradigm of togetherness and belonging was therefore set by this project. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.